A very good morning to all of you. Thank you for being here. We extend a very warm welcome to our guest of honor, Dr. Milind Kirtane, our chief guest, Dr. Suni Matthews, the principals, school teachers, and special educators of schools and colleges, audiologists, therapists, our donors, our supporters, and above all, our parents and children. A very warm welcome.
We started WeConnect Foundation in 2007. That's Fatima and myself. It's a support group for parents, by parents, and of the parents. It is a not-for-profit organization. It is basically a supportive network for families and children committed to using listening and spoken language. In our support group, we support over 1,300 parents across India and some out of India too. So basically, our vision is to mainstream children with hearing differences by providing them hope and empowerment to parents and primary caregivers, and co-creating an ecosystem that fosters a culture of inclusiveness.
The purpose of WeConnect is to support, educate, empower, and provide hope to all our parents so that they can integrate their children into mainstream society.
Good morning, namaste. Respected guest of honor, Padma Shri Dr. Milind Kirtane, Chief Guest Dr. Suni Matthew, ओजा सर और उपस्थित सारे मेहमान, बच्चे, परिवारजनक और दोस्तों, in our mainstream guide, we have emphasized on many aspects for smooth transition of our kids into mainstream schooling. Today, I would like to address a few topics in my presentation. Why mainstream? My story, preparing and equipping for mainstream, strategies and guidelines for teachers, and working together. Why mainstream? मुख्य धारा क्यों? हम सब एक समाज में रहते हैं. हमारा समाज मुख्य धारा को समझता है और स्वीकार करता है. इसीलिए हम सब माता पिता हमेशा चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे मेन स्ट्रीम स्कूलिंग में ही अपना शिक्षण प्राप्त करें. मेन स्ट्रीम स्कूल्स के फायदे बड़े हैं. इट टीचेस देम टू अडैप्ट एंड एडजस्ट विद पीयर्स एंड द सोसाइटी. यह सबसे पहला कदम है जहां हमारे बच्चे स्कूल के दूसरों बच्चों से घुल मिलते हैं और समाज को स्वीकार करते हैं. It teaches them lifelong skills to prepare for future academic advantages. Mainstream schooling हमारे बच्चों को भविष्य में ऊंची शिक्षण प्राप्त करने के लिए तैयार करता है. Inclusive in society for personal growth, व्यक्तिगत विकास, physical, emotional, and social growth. Give back to society. I think the biggest and the long-term effect of a mainstream schooling is that it prepares our kids as positive contributors into the society. मुख्य धारा शिक्षण हमारे बच्चों को जिम्मेदार नागरिक बनाता है. For successful mainstreaming education of our children, close coordination and support is required of parents. Now when I say parents, it's not only the mother, it's the father, the grandparents, and the family as a whole. ENT surgeons, audiologists, therapists, school teachers, and school administrators. WeConnect Foundation very proudly presents collective experience of parents of children with hearing impairment. Here we do the launch of our mainstream guide for children with hearing loss. It talks about what to expect for smooth transition into the school and how to sail through it. Thank you very much.
Now is the moment that we are all waiting for. And we'd like to invite on stage.
We would like to invite our guest of honor, Dr. Kirtan.
Dr. Kirtane.
और हमारे चीफ गेस्ट डॉक्टर सूरी मैथ्यू.
And our very special guest, Dr. Rosa. May I also take this opportunity to invite the entire We Connect committee up here. Vahishtai, Fatima, Urvi, Vibha, Kapsu. And may I request Purvi now to take over the proceedings for the unveiling of the guide.
Hare